Ever clicked a hyperlink in the Excel and wondered, how do I actually get the real link behind this text? Today I will show you how to pull out those real links behind those names using VBA. If you are new to this channel, I'll be sharing here Excel tricks and custom formulas which will help you in day-to-day life. So please subscribe. As you can see, the website links which are hidden behind names. So if we click on this one, it will go to the real website. Amazon, and also the email links and the sales one. So for that, you open the VBA editor by Alt F11, then insert, module, copy the code. I will share this code in the description so that you can copy from there. So in here, we are defining a function get hyperlink using VBA code. Then save it. We want to save it as a macro Excel. Click no. Save it as Excel macro enabled workbook. Click save. Close this one. Get hyperlink. Select the cell. Enter. Control D. So we got the actual link behind the text. Here you can see this is a mail to link, and we got the email links as well. The main use of this one is that we don't know whether there are links behind the text. Like suppose it can be website name Wikipedia. We don't know whether there is a link behind this text. It will give a blank cell. So it is a very useful formula. Just copy the VBA code in the location where I said. Be a pro in Excel, keep learning, keep automating. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.